In this video, we're going to show you how to integrate an existing Rollbar project with VictorOps. But before we continue, let's make sure we set some assumptions. Number one, that you have an existing Rollbar project that's actually received some errors. And secondly, that you have an account in VictorOps that's been integrated with Rollbar. If your VictorOps account has not been integrated with Rollbar, we're going to show you how to do that here in just a second. So if we jump over here to Rollbar GUI, you see we have an existing project that's recently received some errors. So the first thing we want to do is integrate this project with VictorOps. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and select Settings, and I'm going to go here and filter on the project that I'm interested in. Under Integrations here on the left, I'm going to go ahead and select Notifications. And then if we scroll down here, I'm going to select VictorOps. And as you can see here, it looks like the account link between Rollbar and VictorOps has not been set up. But there's nothing that's linking both of those accounts yet, so we're going to do that now. And as you can see, we actually provide the instructions, make it really simple to do it. So we're going to go into VictorOps, and we're going to go ahead and click on Settings. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and under routing keys, we're going to actually add a routing key. You can pick name it whatever arbitrary name you want. We'll be using that shortly in a minute. We're going to go ahead and select Integrations. And we're going to go ahead and filter for Rollbar. We can see that Rollbar has been integrated, at least on the VictorOps side. So I'm going to grab this Service API key. If you don't see this and you're doing it for the first time, it will walk you through how to create a Service API key. It's pretty self-explanatory. We're going to put that in here, and we're going to put in Test, and we're going to click Enable. And as you can see here, it says the integration's been set up. So we're going to go ahead and click and send a test notification. And if we go over here to VictorOps, okay, we can see that this test recently just came in. Of course, it's 11:02, and this just came in at 11:02. So this is a nice indication that the integration we just set up is working. So if we go back over here, we notice these are some out-of-the-box rules with this particular VictorOps integration. We do create default rules for any integration. They're going to vary depending on the tool that you're integrating with, one of our out-of-box integrations. I'm going to go ahead here and click on Item Resolve Send Recovery. So let's go ahead and edit this. So essentially this is saying any item in Rollbar that is resolved is going to send a recovery for the VictorOps incident. So right now, any error that comes into Rollbar that has a severity level of error or greater is going to meet this criteria. But maybe I'm only interested in critical errors. Maybe I'm interested only in filtering on environment production, or a file name, or a method, or a context. The point here is that you can customize these rules to meet your needs. So you can only have it send information into VictorOps that's really important and critical to your team. So we're going to go ahead and click Cancel there. We're going to go in here, and I'm going to resolve all these items because it should trigger an alert that will be sent to VictorOps. Okay. And now what I want to do is I'm actually going to go in here too, and I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to rerun my application that's going to generate some more errors in Rollbar. And we can see that some new errors have come in. There we go. We see them show up in Rollbar. If I go over here to VictorOps, we can see that we have a number of different errors that have come in. So if we click on this particular item, we can get some specific information about what was sent in from Rollbar. So this incident was triggered. Okay, here's the actual message itself. If we scroll down, I can get some more detailed information. This will link me back to the items in Rollbar. Okay, so I have the ability to do that. But as you can see, this quickly sent this message into VictorOps based on the criteria that we had set. So you might ask, well, why would I want to integrate with VictorOps? Well, if you have a platform team that is monitoring applications in real time and you're using Rollbar, you can seamlessly integrate the two products together so that your platform team or someone on the development team can get an immediate notification when an error based on the criteria that you set is generated in Rollbar. Hopefully that allows you to be more productive. We've seen that with a lot of teams, that they're able to be dramatically more productive and really only focus on the errors that are really important to them and their team. So hopefully this gave you a really nice overview of how to set up this integration and the benefits of doing so, go out to our website or reach out to us if you have additional questions.